Alrighty. I'm part of the GearBest family, so I figured I'd show you this. This was in their clearance area. I always check GearBest because they've got a lot of really weird stuff, but I've never actually purchased anything from them yet. Until now. I'm buying a portable USB current and voltage detector. So basically it just kind of plugs into your USB and then it tells you the status of your USB port. Probably not a super useful tool, but who knows? Just for giggles, it's $2.24. That's 72% off of the regular price of $8.10. Promo ends in 4 days, 17 hours, 25 minutes, 48 seconds, 47 seconds, 46 seconds. Anyways, free shipping. Ships within 3 to 5 business days. We'll see. What's today? Today is Thursday, January 14th. So we'll see how that goes. So I'll let you know how that goes, and I'll give you a review of this little bugger when it comes in. It looks like it ought to be pretty cool, but I mean, for $2.24, if it's not cool, I'll give it to Ted. Right, Ted? Nobody can see over there, man. Trust me, he's looking at you.